If you know how to Google, congratulations. You're qualified to make money online. No degree, no experience, no selling your soul to the grind gods required. See, Google isn't just for settling late-night arguments about whether or not tomatoes are a fruit. They are, but no one cares. It's a gold mine, one that 99% of people scroll past every single day without even realizing they're leaving free money on the table. Sounds like a scam? That's exactly what I thought, until I saw real businesses paying for this without even knowing it. And here's the kicker. You can do this today, without selling, without ads, and without tech skills. I'm literally handing you everything. The exact Google search that finds hidden opportunities, the AI tool that does all the work for you, and the step-by-step process to turn this into an easy $500 to $5,000 per month. No fluff, no BS, just a stupidly simple system that makes Google do the heavy lifting while you cash in. So let's dive in. What we're gonna do is leverage a pre-built AI tool to sell a simple service to small businesses. One that requires zero ongoing work, but still pays you every single month. The best part is that it takes just 5 minutes to set up, and once it's running, you can start collecting recurring income while the AI software does all the heavy lifting. The service that we're going to offer here is helping small businesses get more customers without spending a dime on ads. So let's start with step 1, finding the right businesses to target. A few months ago, my friend Hans was struggling to make money online. He tried freelancing, affiliate marketing, even flipping products, but nothing stuck. Then he stumbled on this trick, and in 1 week, he landed 2 clients paying him $500 per month each, using this exact method. And Hans isn't alone here. Literally hundreds of other everyday people are quietly cashing in on this exact same strategy right now, bringing in an easy $500, $2,000, even $5,000 or more per month on autopilot. So here's exactly how you can do it too. First, go to Google and type in any local service like plumber in Denver or electrician in Miami. At the top, you'll see the paid ads. These businesses are already spending money to get seen. Below that, you've got the Google Map Pack. The first few listings you see on this page here are probably doing all right, but if you click the More Businesses button below, it's gonna open up a whole new world of opportunity for you, as these are businesses that aren't showing up when someone searches for them and are relying on word of mouth and outdated marketing. And the crazy part? They don't even realize they need help, which makes them the perfect clients. These are your gold mine. They're not paying for ads, they don't have thousands of reviews, and they're desperate for an easier way to get customers, and that's where we come in. So let's move on to step 2, making the perfect offer. Now that we have our list of businesses, it's time to reach out with an offer they can't refuse. So here's exactly what to say. I'll get you as many appointments as you want in 14 days with zero ad spend, or you pay nothing. Are you interested? This line works because every business out there wants more customers, but they don't want to risk wasting money on ads that may or may not work. So by removing all the risk, they're way more likely to say yes. And once they do, that's when we bring in the AI automation. So let's unpack that now in step 3, letting AI do the work for you. Most small business owners lose customers every day simply because they don't respond to leads fast enough. Let's play a quick game. Just imagine something with me for a second. Say someone needs a plumber. So they go to Google and they call the first number they find. But what do you think happens if nobody answers the phone? Do they A, call back again, B, leave a message and hope someone eventually calls them back, or C, move on immediately and call the next number down the list? Well, we both know the answer is C, right? If no one answers the phone, they move on to the next business, and that first plumber just lost $500. Now, multiply that by hundreds of potential customers every month, and that's thousands of dollars slipping through their fingers. Possibly even more, as the average small business owner misses around 62% of all incoming calls. But here's the game changer. Because the AI-powered system we're using solves this instantly by responding to leads 24/7, booking appointments automatically, and following up with customers without the business owner lifting a finger. Now, I'm no tech wizard, but lucky for us, setting this up is stupidly simple. In fact, let's build one now. All I have to do is log into the software, click on the Create a Bot button, choose what kind of bot I want. In this case, let's just go with a general Q&A bot, give it a name. I'm gonna go with Body McBotface. Then I'm gonna turn on autopilot, which allows the bot to reply and engage with people automatically. I'll decide where I want it to be active. Seeing as I'm gonna unleash this bad boy on the world, we're gonna go with all the places. I'll click save, and then to train the bot, all I have to do is just copy and paste over the business's website, and then, well, no win then. We're done. There's no further manual work and no extra effort from the business owner, and once they see appointments rolling in, they won't want to turn it off. Okay, now let's move on to step 4, turning this into a recurring income stream. So now you've set up the AI system for free and proven that it works. Here's where the real money comes in. Because here's the thing. Small business owners don't just want leads. What they really want is a steady stream of customers. You know, people who actually buy stuff and spend money. And once they see the system working, turning it off would be the same as turning away money. And that's bad. After 7 days, the business owner will see the results firsthand. Appointments filling up, more customers walking through the door. So that's when you follow up and say, "You've seen how many new leads, appointments, and customers this has brought in. Want to keep it running? It's just $500 per month." At this point, they've already felt the value, so it's a no-brainer. What's even better though is that the AI keeps doing the work whether you check it or not, meaning you now have recurring income with minimal upkeep. Let's do the math. Charging just $500 a month for this means that 5 clients equals $2,500 per month, 10 clients equals $5,000 per month, and 20 clients gives you $10,000 per month. That's a 6-figure income, all from a 5-minute setup. And since the AI handles most of the work here, you're not stuck trading time for money. You're building true leverage. Okay, let's move on to step 5 so we can scale this thing up. Now, maybe cold messaging businesses isn't your thing. If so, don't worry. There's an even easier way to get clients coming to you. Here's how. First, join local business Facebook groups. These groups are filled with business owners who are constantly looking for ways to get more customers. That said, the usual advice about how to get clients from Facebook groups is just flat out wrong. So do not go in there and just start spamming people by posting all kinds of random self-promotional stuff about who you are and what you do, or you're gonna get kicked out faster than someone asking for the Wi-Fi password at a digital detox retreat. A much better approach is to take the time to answer questions and talk to people and, be human. Once someone gets to know you and learns about what you do, trust me, people will DM you. Next, use LinkedIn and Instagram DMs. Business owners check these daily, so send the same simple message that we talked about before. You know the one, it's the "I'll get you as many appointments as you want in 14 days with 0 ad spend, or you pay nothing, are you interested?" Then finally, leverage referrals. Once you get one happy client, ask if they know other business owners who could also use this as well. Business owners know other business owners, and if you do a good job, then happy clients will do the selling for you. The beauty of this is that there's no cold calling, no begging, just let the results speak for themselves. Now, if you're serious about launching your own AI-powered online business, I've got something special for you. See, there's a free AI challenge taking place now, but spots are limited. Inside, you're gonna get everything you need, step by step, to launch your AI agency this very week. You'll also get a full 30-day free trial of High Level, which is the software I use, and it comes completely preloaded with powerful AI tools and ready-made campaigns and emails and texts, and even your own fully built website. Plus, you'll get personalized one-on-one Zoom coaching, 24/7 expert support, and ongoing weekly training sessions. The best part is that for every sale you make, you keep 100% of the profits. No experience required and 0 upfront costs. So, if you're ready to dive in, all you need to do is just click the link in the descriptions below or head over to growmyagencynow.com in order to claim your free trial and bonuses before they're gone. And if you're not quite ready for that yet, it's totally cool. I've also linked up another powerful strategy right here that's gonna help you make even more money online faster. So, I'll see you inside.